my channel Digi Learner. Today we shall discuss about features or characteristics of Indian political party system, or what are the new trends in the party system of India. So this topic covered 3 videos. This is a very important topic for the examination point of view for various competitive examination and university examinations. So we shall discuss about what are the characteristics or what are the features of the Indian political party system and what are the new trends. What is the new trends in the party system of India? So in the political party chapter, we have already covered meaning, definition, components of political party and different party system in lesson 1. Functions of political party in a democracy in lesson 2. Challenge and reformation of political party in lesson 3. In present lesson, features of and new trends in the Indian party system, that is lesson 4. In the party system, we will study 10 videos or 10 lessons. This is our 4th lesson on political parties. Today we shall discuss about the features and new trends of the Indian party system. So, political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. Democracy is equal to political parties. The political parties are just like the life and blood of democracy. Democracy cannot function without political party. Today, there are the representative democracy. The representative democracy cannot work without a party system. The democracy system cannot work with existence of party system. The need for representative democracy has given rise to political parties. So, every democratic system has a party system. Similarly, in Indian liberal parliamentary system, there has been multi-party system with several parties like national, regional, state and local, which has been remain continuously engaged in the struggle for capturing power at center as well as the states in Indian political system. The chief characteristics of the or features of the Indian political party system is that its nature keeps on changing with the passage of time and situation. After evaluating nature of Indian party system since independence, we come to know that so many new tendencies have emerged in which has widely influenced the nature of the Indian party system. As a result of so many new trends have emerged in it, and a brief description of this system we shall discuss. First of all, multi-party system. In India, there is the multi-party system. Before independence, the Congress party remained in the forefront of the national movement. It is because of this reason that we can't draw a line between the history of national movement and the history of the Indian National Congress. Though after independence, the Congress party remained in power both in the center and the states for a long time. Yet, with the purpose to provide an alternative to the Congress, many new parties were formed, as a result of which multi-party system came into existence, and it became an important characteristic of the Indian party system. Even today, the Election Commission of India has given recognition to 6 national political parties like Bahujana Samajwadi Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party of India, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Indian National Congress, Nationalist Congress Party, and Bharatiya Janata Party, and 253 state parties, and there are about 2,540 political parties or state parties which do not enjoy status of a national party or the state parties, yet these are registered by the Election Commission. The state parties are like BJD, YSR Congress, TRS, Telugu Desam Party or TDP, Shiv Sena, Akali Dal, Rashtriya Janata Dal or RJD, Janata Dal United, Samajwadi Party, National Front, People's Democratic Party or PDP in Jammu and Kashmir, Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi and other parts of the country, Indian Lok Dal, INLD, Maharashtra Navnivan Sena, MNS, DMK Dravidia Munnetra Kazhagam, AIADMK All India Anna Dravidia Munnetra Kazhagam, Trinamool Congress, etc. These are the state parties or regional parties. So we find there is the multi-party system in India. Second feature is the one-party dominant system. In Indian party system was known as one-party dominant system because of dominant position of the Congress Party emerged after the country had attained independence. From 1947 to 1967, from 1971 to 1977, as well as from 1980 to 1989, the Congress dominant system was at the center as well as the state of Indian politics. Spanning three distinct stages, it's a post-independence development. This is the three distinct stages of Congress system. Thus, the Congress, which functioned as a broad-based national movement before independence, transformed itself into the dominant political party of the nation. That is why the observer of the Indian politics like Maurice Jones described the Indian party system as the system of one-party dominance, while Rajani Kothari, an important Indian political thinker, went to the extent of calling one-party dominant system or the Congress system. Third one is the growing influence of the regional parties. We have already discussed about India has a multi-party system. There are six sometimes seven, sometimes 8 number of national parties from time to time, and more than 50 number of state or regional parties, and more than 2,500 number of registered political parties. So we find there are a number of regional parties. A regional party is one which enjoy its popularity in one or two states or committed to secure interest of the state versus the union. The existence of growing influence of regional parties in the political system has been a recent trend and one of the important features of the Indian party system. Today, Shiromani Akali Dal in Punjab, National Conference and People's Democratic Party in Jammu and Kashmir, Indian National Lok Dal in Haryana, Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh, Rashtriya Janata Dal in Bihar, Biju Janata Dal in Odisha, Assam Gana Parishad in Assam, Telugu Desam and YSR Congress in Andhra Pradesh, Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, Dravidia Munnetra Kazhagam, DMK or All India Anna Dravidia Munnetra Kazhagam or AIADMK in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra Gomatang Party in Goa, Shiv Sena and Maharashtra Navnivan Sena in Maharashtra, Arunachal Congress in Arunachal Pradesh, Mizo National Front in Mizoram, etc. are some of the important regional parties in India. Though these parties perform an important role in regional level, yet we cannot ignore their role and importance at national level as well. Fourth characteristic features is lack of strong opposition. For a long period of time, the Indian political system lacked a strong opposition. So we find more than 50 years there was no recognized opposition parties in the parliament, especially in Lok Sabha. India lacks a strong, well-organized opposition party. A strong opposition is essential for the status of parliamentary democracy. The main functions of the opposition is to highlight the shortcomings of the government and to compel it to become responsive to the public opinion. In the past 4 general elections, no party other than the Congress party was in a position to secure even 50 seats, the minimum constitutional requirement for getting the status of opposition party. In 1980, 1984, 2014 and 2019 general election, no political party could get minimum required seats, that is 1/10 of the total strength of the house, to be eligible for getting the status of opposition party in the Lok Sabha. Hence, the Indian political system lacked strong opposition for a long period of time. Thank you very much. In the next video of this lesson, we will present in next video. Thank you very much. I also inform you or request you to subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you very much.